Welcome back. Let's get this result as fast as we can. Okay, this is one of the questions in the recently rounded up NECO mathematics. And here, this is a rectangle, of course. We are told to find the value of x, find the value of y, and then find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, to solve A, to simplify the first one, which is A, of course, we have to know that one of the properties of the rectangle is that the two opposite sides are equal. Here and here are equal, while here and here are equal. The length here and here are always equal, while the breadth here are always equal. So we're going to simplify it like that. And it's going to be solved or resolved simultaneously. So we go. We solve this and this. We have our x plus 3y. Since they are equal, we equate them to each other, equal to 2x plus y. Okay, we continue. We collect like terms. Okay, this move to this side. This one will also move. So we have our x minus 2x plus 3y minus y equal to 0. Since there is nothing left here, so we move them. We equate them to 0. Okay, x minus 2x will give us negative x plus 3y minus y will give us 2y equals 0. That's equation 1. Okay, going by this, then we take the second one, the breadth. We have 8 minus y equal to x plus y. We collect like terms. This can actually come to this way. So we have 8 minus 8 equal to x plus y plus y. When y, negative y is crossing equal sign, it changes to positive y. So we have our 8 to be, or actually we reverse them. We have x plus y will give us 2y equal to 8, and this is equation 2. All right, so we continue. We now solve simultaneously. We have our negative x plus y to be equal to 0. We have our x plus okay, this is 2y actually, 2y plus 2y again equal to 8. All right, we can decide to, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, equation 1 and 2. We can decide to use an elimination method, and when we are doing that, we subtract. Okay, let's use substitution method so that we can resolve it easily. So we move. We, from equation 1, we make x the subject of the formula, or any of them at all, or we make y is subject to the formula. So from equation 1, we have making 2y, or y is 2y, or let's make x the subject of the formula. So we have minus x equal to 0 minus 2y. Okay, so we have negative x to be negative 2y. Anything you minus from 0 is that same number. This x will cancel this, so we have our x to be 2y. Okay, then we substitute it to equation 2 and get the value of y. So anyway, we see x, we put this. So from this now, we have a 2y plus 2y equals 8. With x here is this 2y, because here x equal to 1. So we have a 4y equals 8. Okay, and then we divide by 4. We divide by 4. This and this we go. And then here is 1, here is 2, 1 and 2. So our y is equal to 2. The value of y to be 2, we substitute. And in one of the equations we deduce, we have our x to be 2y. When y equals 2, we substitute. So our x becomes 2 times 2. X equals 4. So in this case now, A equals 4, and it's actually cm, okay, while B, we have solved A and B equals 2 cm, and we are told to find the breadth of the breadth of this rectangle. To get that result, we pick this and this and substitute these ones to them. So we have our B, the breadth. You can pick any of them. One of the sides is it. Either we pick this or this. All right. We have our breadth to B. We can call it B. Pick any of them. 8 minus y. Right. So B now equals to 8 minus the value of this is 6. Is 2, of course. B is 2, which is y, of course. So it's 2. So it means that B equal to 6 cm. All right. If you want to use this one, okay, you can try this one. Let's try the two of them and see if our answer is correct. And that's C. All right. We can use B equals to x plus y. All right. We've gotten B now becomes x is 4 cm plus B y, which is 2 cm. It means that B equal to 6 cm. In any side you take it, the breadth is 6 cm, and that is how it is resolved, friends. Thanks for watching OG Basic Mathematics. Please always like, share, and also comment. Bye.